Hello and welcome to Investor's Edge. Imagine that you've decided your portfolio should be more diversified. You have some bank shares, an oil and gas company, but no technology companies. Your research tells you that tech might be a good addition. After crunching the numbers, you believe the best choice you can make right now is a US company. You're ready to buy some shares, but then you discover your account has plenty of Canadian cash, but not enough US dollars for this purchase. It's probably time to convert some of these Canadian dollars into US dollars by doing a foreign exchange conversion. While it's also possible to enter this trade in Canadian dollars and have Investor's Edge handle the US dollar conversion upon purchase, many investors prefer to exchange currency themselves in advance. And it's easy. First, let's calculate how much US currency you'll need for your trade. Let's say you're looking to buy 100 shares of XYZ Corp today. At $14 a share, this trade will cost $1,400 US plus commission, which is also charged in US dollars. At this point, you may be wondering how many Canadian dollars you'll have to convert to receive that amount in US dollars. Not to worry, the foreign exchange request page in your Investor's Edge account does the calculation for you. In this case, simply enter the amount of US dollars you require, which is just north of 1,400, and the calculator will spit out the Canadian dollar total equivalent. Another approach you might take is to simply input the amount of Canadian dollars you are looking to convert over to US. The foreign exchange calculator will indicate the rate you are paying and how many US dollars you'll receive in exchange. There you have it. Just confirm that the trade has settled and the US currency shows in your account. You're now ready to buy XYZ Corp in US currency. What are the costs of doing a foreign exchange transaction? You won't pay a commission for your currency conversion. Rather, Investor's Edge and its affiliates take a spread on this trade. You'll find more information about the spread-based revenue that Investor's Edge will earn on the Investor's Edge pricing page. Now that you're the proud owner of 100 shares of XYZ Corp, there's one more aspect of holding a US stock in your portfolio. Let's say that you buy XYZ today and a few months later, the price of XYZ has risen by 10%. To accurately calculate your return, which overall is stated in Canadian dollars, there's something else you must consider. How has the Canadian dollar performed during that time frame? If the Canadian dollar has strengthened against the US dollar, your return on XYZ will be less than 10% in Canadian dollars. How much less? Depends on how much the Canadian dollar has strengthened. If the Canadian dollar has weakened against the US dollar, your return on XYZ will be greater than 10% in Canadian dollars. Again, how much greater? Depends on how much the Canadian dollar has weakened. So there you have it. You're now equipped to do a foreign exchange conversion using Investor's Edge. Happy trading.